guys, Candida here, and this is the Marlow pillow. So we're gonna open it up together. And here's how it comes. So it comes already sealed in a bag, so all we've got to do is open it up and let it fluff. So the Marlow pillow is adjustable. After it fluffs up, we're gonna be able to adjust it by just changing the zipper. So if we want it to be fuller, we can open it up. If we want it to be slimmer, we can close it down. So it's got zippers here on both sides, and it does have that cooling sensation. When it comes to getting a pillow, having one that is adjustable is definitely a unique option. And so I am able to adjust it each night, depending on how I feel and the firmness that I'm looking for. It has a unique firmness, and so depending on if you want a shallower pillow, you can tighten it, or if you want a fluffier pillow, you can open it up. I personally like that, so I can find the right adjustment that I need when it's time for me to go to sleep. So I can zip it or unzip it, and just like that, I'm able to adjust my pillow. So I hope you found the review helpful.